Hello everyone, IceCool Tech here. Now today Apple has just released iOS and iPadOS 14.2 Developer Beta 2 to all registered developers. Now before we get into the video, as always, if you do happen to be new to the channel, definitely make sure that subscribe button with notifications enabled to stay up to date with more content just like this. We are super close to hitting 3K, guys. That is absolutely amazing. I want to thank you all for your support. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. Like I said, iOS 14.2 Developer Beta 2 is out now for all registered developers. Now this update likely brings only bug fixes, possible security patches, and overall general improvements, which are much needed, as Beta 1 really seemed to have a lot of issues affecting many users. Let me know in the comments how your experience has been with the first beta of iOS 14.2. Now, iOS 14.2 Developer Beta 2 is actually a fairly larger update and came in at 487.3 megabytes for my iPhone SE and 517.8 megabytes for my iPhone 7. Now, the build number for this beta of iOS 14.2 is 18B50561E compared to Beta 1's build number 18B5052H. Now, the E at the end means that we can expect this beta to be much more stable, and it also signifies that we are getting closer to a full public release of iOS 14.2. Now, the modem firmware version in iOS 14.2 Beta 2 has not changed since updating from 14.2 Developer Beta 1. This means that any connectivity issues such as Wi-Fi or cellular data you may have been experiencing with Beta 1 have not been fixed this time around. Now, while there were no new features in iOS 14.2 Beta 2, there are some important changes. iOS 14.2 Beta 2 adds back the ability to use Apple Cache Family as well as use Siri to send audio messages. iOS 14.2 Beta 2 does include several fixes as well. Exposure notification risk scores are now calculated correctly when custom attenuation weights are used. Selecting a home screen page in the Edit Pages menu now opens up the correct page, and the Edit Pages menu no longer overlaps the home screen if you continuously switch between the page dots and a home screen page. Now, there were some tweaks I noticed in iOS 14.2 Developer Beta 2 almost immediately after updating. For example, the Now Playing Control Center toggle now has a device-specific icon in the center if no audio is playing, and also the Now Playing Control Center toggle has been resized to better suit smaller displays such as the iPhone SE first generation. Now, while iOS 14.2 Developer Beta 2 isn't too huge, it is still a solid update, especially since Beta 1 has been pretty buggy for many users. I will be testing this release on my iPhone SE and iPhone 7, and I'll have full reviews for both sometime soon. Now, as always, if you do have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Alright everyone, that is all I have for this video. Now, if you did enjoy the video or found it helpful in any way, show me by leaving a like, and if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button. Every subscriber truly does mean a lot, and it's very, very appreciated. Now, of course, make sure to follow me on Twitter and rest in peace the IceCool Tech Discord. Links for just one of those now is in the description below. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.